Hi guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you, or I'm gonna be taking you through a challenge. So this challenge is basically inspired by Marie Kondo, and I watched her show on Netflix. It's called Tidying Up. So it's called Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, and basically the show is about Marie Kondo herself trying to help families tidy up their house, let go of some of the things that they don't need, be it clothes, sentimental stuff that they have, or let's say documents. So for today, I'm gonna be doing it with my clothes. The first step to Marie Kondo's method is basically putting all your clothes in one area, making a pile so that you're gonna really have a grasp of how much you have, and then one by one you're gonna sort through each of your clothing items, and then you're gonna see, or you're gonna decide whether this particular item has sparked joy for you. So basically, if it's a yes, then you get to keep that piece of clothing, and then if not, then you either decide to give it away or to donate it. So let's start first. So we have our pile now. My hair is tight, so I'm really ready to do this. Well, I don't have much clothes. I actually thought I had less, but let's start. So as you can see, this is my pile. It's not really a lot compared to the ones that you see on the show, but yeah, we're gonna start sorting through them one by one.
So this is a kimono. I actually love this. If you go on vacation, if you go to Punta Cana, or for the summer. I think I'm gonna keep this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this. I actually like to hang a lot of my clothing, and one of the things that I can follow with the Marie Kondo method is the way she's folded them. Because the way she folds them is that you fold it in thirds so that you put them on your drawers facing up. And I couldn't do that because, well, actually I could. Yeah, I think I could because I have 3 drawers, and I think the space would be enough, especially after we sort through everything. But for this one, I'm gonna hang it. Next is a white top. It's a sleeveless top. I got this when I went to Italy. It was on sale at United Colors. And I think I'm going to keep this because I just bought this year. And I haven't worn it that much yet. It's an asymmetrical top. And this would be perfect if we go to the Philippines next year.
Bye-bye, thank you. This I love. It's my only tweed blazer, and it fits me well. I'm gonna keep this. And this, you wear the black first inside, and then you wear this outside. This I'm gonna keep. It still fits me. I love this dress. I wore this so many times already. I wore it during my oath taking for the Canadian citizenship. This skirt I love. Thank you. It's from my aunt. This one, yeah, for sure. This one is another sheer top. I find I like sheer tops a lot. Oh my gosh, this dress was my graduation dress here in Canada when I used to go to nursing school. It's my favorite color, fuchsia, but it doesn't fit me anymore. Every year I do like 3 or 4 like clothing purges, and over the years I really tried to keep it and see if maybe it would still fit me the following year, but obviously it doesn't anymore. This is like a size 0 and I'm now like a size 4 or like size 6 even something. How I hang my clothes is I usually go by type and by color. So tops, lightest to darkest, and then dresses, lightest to darkest. Yeah, so let's move on to the folded stuff. Hi guys, we're back, and I actually took a few minutes of break. 2 of my most favorite families, the Sakoni Jolies and It's Judy's Life, have uploaded videos. So I took the time, watched their videos, ate some snacks, and then I spilled something on my shirt, so I had to change. But yeah, so we're back now. So we're gonna sort through them, and then we're gonna have a pile for me to keep, pile to donate. We are finally done, and I got rid of quite a few pieces of clothes since I don't have much clothing anyway compared to, like, as I said earlier, the ones on the show. So but I think it was a good challenge. It was a good exercise as well. So I was able to let go of some of the stuff that I know that I'm not gonna be using anymore, but I was just holding on to them just because I wanted to. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the results. So that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really thank you for watching as well, and I hope to see you guys next time. I feel like I want to do another Marie Kondo inspired video, and that would be regarding documents, because I feel like it's something that we have a lot of, but because we don't see them as often as we see our clothes, we tend to ignore or kind of forget about them. So we've been in this house for over a year now, and even though I already did a first purge of our documents, they just accumulate so fast without us even realizing it. So I feel like I need to do another one, and I'm gonna make the video in the coming week or so. Pretty sure before springtime will come. I hope to see you guys on that video, and thank you so much, and have a great week.